So working on a project today, which is rebuilding a retaining wall. So there are a lot of different types of retaining walls. Some are bricks, some are concrete. But the least expensive is the wood retaining walls. So that's what we're working on today. I'll show you a little bit how it works. Hopefully you'll find it useful. I'm going to turn it around so you can actually see. So that is the retaining wall from the top, and then there's the retaining wall on the bottom here. And you can see they added a waterproof membrane in between the wood retaining wall and the actual soil. From what I was told, this should actually improve the life expectancy of the wall, probably about an extra 30%. And the main reason is because you have this waterproof membrane that keeps the soil away from the wood. Underneath the wood also has a drainage system that will essentially prevent the water from gathering underneath. The post here is what's holding the wood retaining wall, and they've actually put concrete underneath to keep it stable.